Thank you for the time that has been given to me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putu Devi Anginova Pramitasiwi with name 2115051015 from Rombel 26. So, here I will discuss about why has English become an international language? First of all, who doesn't know English? Language that is a commonplace heard in our daily life, for example, from a word about food, clothing, equipment, and others. This language is introduced since the individual enters kindergarten, and even the toddler who is 2 years old already familiar with the basic in English thanks to his family upbringing. Maybe you are wondering why English has been introduced since early childhood. So, according to psychologist Gracia Infonica MPSI, actually teaching a second language to children from an early age is not a must. However, it is undeniable the learning a foreign language from an early age can provide very varied benefits. First, improve children's cognitive ability. Second, sharpening children's brains, including their ability to solve problems, think critically, and listen well. Third, improving children's memory, concentration, and ability to multitask. English is currently an international language. Why is that? Here are 5 reasons why English became an international language. Number 1, about British royal influence. 100 of years ago, the British Empire was one of the most powerful empires in the world. In fact, more than a quarter of the world is under his control. Not surprisingly, English later became the most widely spoken language in the colony. Although in Asia and Africa, at that time, English was still not widely used in everyday conversation, but this language was used when conducting trade. In fact, the elite in this country have also used English. Not only that, to get a proper education and other skill enhancement, one must be able to speak English. Well, that is the early history of why English can be widely known in the world and become an international language. Number 2 is Industrial Revolution in England. In the 18th century, there was an industrial revolution in England. At the time, the country made various production machines, one of which was a machine for textile production, which of course was needed by people from all over the world, because everyone wore clothes. Well, at the time, the manual for using the machine was written in English. Therefore, if anyone wants to export this machine to their respective countries, they must learn English to understand how to use this tool. This makes the English more widespread. Number 3 is American influence after the World War is over. After the World War ended, conditions in the world completely changed. The country that previously ruled at the time were in the state of disrepair. However, this does not apply to the United States or US. In fact, it can be said that American economy at the time was skyrocketing. Well, this made people from various parts of the world vying to be able to trade this country. It is true at the same time, or perhaps until now. American exert a tremendous influence on the world community. Therefore, many people deliberately learn English in order to enter the trade or business industry in America. This greatly strengthens in positive English in the eyes of the world, especially compared to other language. Number 4 is technological development. Still related to rapid economy and business development in the United States. At the same time, the internet was created in that country. This makes all kinds of computer equipment and its content made in English. Starting from the software to the hardware of the computer is made in English. In fact, computer keyboard also use the Latin alphabet used in the language. Therefore, when other countries want to buy computer from America, like it or not, they have to adapt to the use English by learning it. That way, they can keep up with technological development that have indeed development from America. Therefore, the use of English is getting bigger and wider globally. And number 5 is public. In the mid of society, English is also developing through music, film, the telephone, radio, television, and the internet. This media allow to young people to access English language content produced by various English-speaking countries, complete with subtitle or subtitle. This makes it easier for English to be learned informally outside of government and economy. Well, thank you for watching, and sorry if I have error and shortcoming in this discussion. Goodbye.